Just when you thought it was safe to turn on your TV to KSAS Fox 24. We thought after Jaws he would be full. We thought after last night's Jaws 2 he'd eaten enough. But right now, he's back for thirds. Jaws 3. Bathing suits, bikinis, and scuba diving are about to become extinct because of some meanie shark. Snack time is any time for a great white.
Excuse me.
Jaws 3. Stay away from the pool, stay away from the fish tank, and lock the icebox. He's back, and he's hungry. Tonight at 8 on KSAS Fox 24. Jaws 3.
Fox 24, just turn us on.
Tune to 24 or cable channel 4 in Wichita.